that fun? Is that fun? Yeah. Maya's 11 months and a couple of days. It's the last day of March 2013. And some mice figure out her fishy has a string that can pull and play. Is that funny? We had our first Easter today. Had to pull the string. Maya, can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you? Look at those teeth. Can you wave bye-bye? Huh? Can you bye-bye? Bam.